Hi, my name is Wael Diab. I'm the chair of the Joint Committee of ISO and IEC on Artificial Intelligence. And I'm here with the team that is responsible for ISO IEC 42001, which is our management system standards. So I'm going to turn over to the convener and ask him to introduce himself and tell us why there was a need for this and what is so important about this standard.
My name is Paul Cotton. I represent Canada at the expert level in SC42, and as Wael said, I'm the convener of Working Group 1, which was responsible for foundational standards, including 42001, the management system standard for AI. So Canada was the original proposer of this project because we really felt that the world was going to need a way of doing conformity assessment for responsible AI. And Canada is excited about the possibility of this document now being published because it's going to be extremely important in different geographies from a regulatory point of view.
Thank you, Paul. So we've heard management system standards, conformity assessment, that's a lot of words. I'm going to turn over to our expert in this area and ask, well, what does that actually mean and why it's important?
Thank you, Wael. My name is Kim Lucy, and I am an expert in management system standards. Essentially, what you will be able to do as an organization who implements 42001 is be audited by a third party and receive a certification. So once you implement this management system standard in your organization with its clauses for management practices as well as system level controls, you'll be able to be audited and receive a certification saying that you have implemented these processes for responsible AI. What that can do is show your customers that you have implemented these processes and controls, as well as show that within your supply chain, people who rely on you, that you've implemented these processes. So it becomes really, really important. And as Paul mentioned as well, there are regulations all around the world, in Canada, the EU AI Act, that are going to have and that already have requirements around responsible AI that this management system, implementing it, certifying to it, will help you comply with.
Now we want to talk about a little bit about what this globally might mean, what the impact is, and for that I'm going to turn over to the project leader for ISO IEC 42001, Marto.
Thanks, Wael. My name is Marto Janszarsky, as mentioned, the project lead for the development of this particular standard. And I think one thing that's really important to note is SC42's diverse participation that enabled this particular standard to be able to meet those expectations of creating an audit-ready standard. We were able to get various types of industries, various types of university and research facilities that were providing comments, as well as regulators. Further to that, we were able to provide and review this draft from the lens of different civil society groups and interest stakeholders. So we're very excited to be able to have that global input and then looking forward to the global adoption of this particular standard.